Hello, welcome again. We are solving Mechanical Engineering Paper 1 of year 2025 of Civil Services Mains Exam. Question number 3 series. Identify the different types of defects and their causes in steel article after it is hardened. So here the explanation is after steel hardening, common defects include insufficient hardness, cracks, distortion, decarbonization, and soft spots. Causes vary but generally involve improper quenching, uneven heating or cooling, improper medium, steel properties, insufficient hardenability, coarse grain structure segregation, component design, stress rising features and residual stresses from prior manufacturing. First of all, common hardening defects. First hardening defect is insufficient hardness or soft spot. The steel does not achieve the desired hardness and its cause is uneven heating or cooling during the quench, insufficient heating temperature or time, poor quenching medium or steel's inability to harden enough. Second type of defect is quench cracks, linear cracks from on the steel surface or within the material. Causes are high internal stresses generated during the rapid cooling processes which can exceed the steel strength, especially with poor component design or excessive prior stresses. Next type of defect is oxidation and surface corrosion. The steel surface is damaged by oxidation or reacts with quenching medium and it causes exposure to high temperatures in an oxidizing atmosphere or contamination in the quenching medium. And causes of defects are, so these are the causes and now the causes of defects. Heat treatment issues. First heat treatment issue is uneven heating, inconsistent furnace temperature or insufficient heating time or temperature leads to uneven structure. Second heat treatment issue is uneven cooling, bubbles on part surface, contaminated quenching medium or lack of medium stirring can cause localized cooling variation. Second type of cause is your steel property. First among these steel properties, insufficient hardenability. The steel composition is not stable for quenching process, making it difficult to harden fully. Second point is microstructure, coarse grain structures where segregation or presence or the presence of large carbide or ferrite can hinder hardening. Excessive third is excessive retained austenite, too much untransformed austenite in the conch structure can reduce hardness. And next type of cause is component design and process factors. So, under this, first is stress concentration, sharp corners, deep flows, or sudden changes in section thickness create stress risers, making the component prone to cracking during quenching. Prior stresses, second one is prior stresses. Stresses from previous operations like forging or rolling can be released during hardening, leading to distortion or cracking. And last type of cause is reciprocity. The rapid cooling during quenching creates high internal stresses that can lead to cracking or distortion.